share my warm greetings to everyone. Puyat na puyat kami pero kahit anong struggles pa yan, go, go, go lang for family. Happy holidays again. And sa mga susunod na videos, makikita niyo po yung mga iba-ibang sharing of wisdoms and testimonies from other leaders na kung ano-anong napagdaanan nila pero still they survived and still they wanted to share their power and insight and wisdom how to go through with any challenges. So wag tayong susuko and keep on fight a good fight para sa family and for our dreams. So this is Venus once again. Thank you and happy holidays.
Hi everyone, this is Ricky and V. Hermosa, one of the newly promoted team manager from Alorica. So I've been almost 1 year agent before I got this position. But I encountered a lot of failure before I got this position. But it doesn't matter because I know we need to believe in God's perfect timing. So, pag nag-quit kayo, edi ibig sabihin talo na kayo. So, don't worry guys, maraming team manager and team leader na nakakaintindi sa inyo. Lapitan nyo lang sila at for sure tutulungan nila kayo. And, ganun talaga, sa umpisa mahirap, pero pag nakasanayan nyo na, kayang-kaya nyo na. And, matiwala lang kayo. Kahit ako, sa sarili ko, before, nag-doubt, pero look at me now. So, yun, trust yourself, guys. I know you can do it. Bye!
What's up? Merry Christmas and once Happy New Year. So, my name is Jari. I'm from Alorica. Madami akong na-experience dito sa Alorica. So, dito ko nahanap kung ano yung gusto ko, kung ano yung kaya kong patunayan sa iba. So, yun. Naging team leader ako. Marami akong narinig sa ibang tao na hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya, marami ka pang kakaining bigas. Yung wag muna kasi masyado pang maaga. Pero hindi ko lahat pinakinggan yun. Tinuloy ko kung ano yung gusto ko kasi yun talaga yung gusto ko. Na alam kong kaya ko na mag-handle ng tao. So, meron akong narinig or may isang tao na nakapagsabi sa akin na don't ever be afraid on committing mistake. Huwag tayong matatakot na magkamali. Kasi yun yung time na matututo tayo. Yun yung time na malalaman natin sa sarili natin na yung isang pagkakamali hindi na dapat maulit. So, once na nalaman natin na pagkakamali yun, may chance na tayo na baguhin yun, ituwid yun, tas kunin natin talaga yung gusto natin, hindi lang ng isip natin kung hindi, yung nararamdaman din natin. So yun yung pinaka-importante sa isang trabaho. Dapat masaya tayo, yung nag-i-enjoy lang tayo, yung hindi natin inisip yung sinasabi ng ibang tao, as long as nakakatulong tayo, nakaka-share tayo ng knowledge sa ibang tao, tas nakaka-gain din tayo ng knowledge sa ibang tao, nanggagaling yung ibang knowledge sa kanila, at the same time binabalik natin yan. So yun lang. Ang advice ko sa mga panghihinaan ng loob or sa mga taong or sa mga agent na gusto nang mag-resign dahil iniisip nila na mahirap, na hindi nila kaya, sa una lang yan, promise, sa una lang yan. Kasi kung ma-overcome mo yung takot sa sarili mo, ma-overcome mo yung hirap na pinagdadaanan mo sa training. Kasi alam nyo guys, wala namang madali sa umpisa. Lahat tayo nahihirapan, lahat tayo nakakaranas ng struggle. Kailangan lang natin tibay ng loob, dedication, kung gusto talaga natin yung trabaho. Pero kapag naramdaman mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka masaya sa trabaho or hindi mo gusto yung trabaho, then you can quit. It's your choice. So, walang pipigil sa'yo. Pero meron merong mga taong tutulong sa'yo, mga team leader, supervisor, co-agents, i-encourage ka na tuloy mo lang. Kasi kung wala kang choice, kung wala ka pang plano, then you need to stay. For the money, yeah. Yes, for the money. Totoo yun. Kasi sino bang impokrito na hindi kailangan ng money, di ba? Pasensya sa salita, pero totoo yun. Be practical. So, binabayaran tayo ng company. So, ibalik natin kung anong binibigay nila sa atin. Equally. And, so, kung magre-resign tayo or hindi natin kaya yung trabaho, think twice. Alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo. Alam mo sa sarili mo na sa una ka lang nahihirapan. Alam mo sa sarili mo na mau-overcome mo yung takot mo. Then go. Yun. Kaya natin. Kaya natin sa simula. Kaya natin hanggang sa huli. Basta wag kang matatakot magkamali. Wag kang matatakot magtanong. Wag kang matatakot na i-express kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa isang bagay na related sa trabaho mo. Kasi makakatulong yun na malagpasan mo kung ano yung kinakarap mong hirap ngayon. So, yun lang po. I hope na marami akong nasabi na importante at tagus sa puso nyo. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Bye!
Hi, my name is Yane. I'm Mami Beng's workmate. I'm just here to greet you a happy holidays to everyone, and also to give some messages for those who are actually being through a lot, especially in the pandemic that we are actually experiencing right now. I just wanted to share you some few things about me. So I actually suffer into depression, anxiety because of I have been to a relationship for 8 years, but we broke up, and that is actually this pandemic. It happens this pandemic. So I'm currently working from home, and because of that, it really affects me a lot, especially my emotions. Yes, when it comes to emotion, because we all know that being broken-hearted is actually hard things to went through. But I can confidently say that I am okay now. And it's because of the people, my friends, my family, and especially God. Just keep on praying, asking for a right thing to do. And always make sure that when you do something into your life, make sure that it will give an impact to yourself, and also it will make you happy. So that's all I can say for now. And again, thank you and happy holidays to each and everyone. Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Edessa Peñafel and I am a workmate of Ate Beng in the BPO industry. So this is also my first time working in a BPO industry, and I am very much grateful to all the people I'm working here with because they are all amazing and talented people. And as well, I'd like to share a quote to you that really inspires me so much. So it is the greatest asset we all have is our mind, because I believe that whatever knowledge we're putting in our mind and our heart will always stays there. And I also wanted to share with you that each one of us has its own perfect timing in life. So happy holidays guys, Merry Christmas, and have a Happy New Year.
Hi everyone! Happy holidays! This is Amy, ka-workmate po ako ni Mami Beng. I just want to share lang what happened in my life for the whole 2020. Last August, I was scammed because of face shield. So, pregnant po ako that time and I was stressed. So, nakunan po ako with my 5 months baby boy. Sobrang sad po talaga. And after that month, last September naman po, nagkaroon po ng COVID. Yung buong family ko and yung papa ko is in critical condition that time. Pero, we survived. And now, here I am. May work na po ako. So, blessed po. Tapos, sobrang healthy ng family namin. So, sa mga pinanghihinaan ng loob dyan, maraming problema, maraming pinagdaraanan. just keep on fighting, keep praying, and keep slaying. Yun lang po. God bless po. Bye!
Happy holidays, and my name is Daniel. I am here para magbigay ng positive vibes para sa mga newly and newbies sa BPO. I've been in BPO for not quite so long. To be honest, I have been here for 4 months only. But now we're doing subject matter experts already. At masasabi kong proud naman ako. Pero nung una talagang mahirap. I've been in an HR field for about 18 years. So, yung drastic ng changes mula sa BPO papunta sa, mula sa HR to BPO is napakahirap. Pero, nung una gusto ko na mag-give up. Pero, isipin nyo lagi, anong purpose? Ba't kayo naghanap ng trabaho? Family. Ako kasi, personally, para sa anak ko, may pinapagatas pa ako. Single mom ako of 2. So, I have to strive for them. Kaya nandito ko. So, may mga bagay na kahit hindi mo kaya, pag mahal mo yung ginagawa mo at para yun sa pamilya mo, walang imposible. So, just a quick recap for everything else. Kahit anong pagdaanan nyo sa BPO, take it as a stepping stone. Unti-unti, hindi process naman to, unti-unti matututunan nyo lahat-lahat. Lalo pa, this is a common, everyday rules na paulit-ulit yung gagawin. Walang imposible na hindi nyo siya makashop within 3 days time. Basta straight lang. Yun. So, good luck and have faith. Lahat kakayanin pag meron tayong plano or may pinupurso tayo. May ini-aim tayo. At ako, para sa akin, ang ini-aim ko for the future ng anak ko kasi maganda ang compensation dito in fairness.